Good afternoon. So, before we start with continuing with our revision of lesson number 5, let us revise table. Today we are going to revise the table of 14. Yesterday we had done the revision of table of 15. So you can raise hand. Table of 14 we are going to start today. Okay, Samaira, unmute yourself. Yes, Samaira, unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
To the table of 14.
14 on the 14, 14 to the 28, 14 3 is the 42, 14 4 the 56, 14 5 the 70, 44, 46 the 80, 44, 47 the 98, 48 the 122, 49 the 126, 14 10 the 140.
Okay, good. Yes, Grishma, unmute yourself.
14
Table of
ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, no, 14 eights are 122, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Thank you.
Great. Siddhi, unmute yourself. Okay, table of 14.
Teacher.
Say the
14
table of
ones are
14.
14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 122, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Thank you, miss.
Very good. Grishma, unmute yourself.
14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 122, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, Rafiq. Shah, Rafiq. Saida, unmute yourself. Yes, Saida. Shake. Yes. Click only at one here. Click at the mic button. Okay, correct. Say the table of 14. Yes, say dear.
14 are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fives are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 122. 14 nines are 120.
122.
122. 14 nines are 260.
126. It's 126.
126. 14 tens are 140.
Please repeat the table once again.
14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 102. 14 nines are
122.
100.
122.
122. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Sakshi Patel, unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Sakshi will say and once Shivam will say. Okay.
Okay.
Is Shivam with you? Yes, Sakshi.
14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14
You are
eights
not
are
audible to
100.
us. Sakshi.
Yes, teacher. 14 eights are 122. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 44s are 56. 45s are 70. 46 are 46 are 84. 47 are 91. 49 are 180. 40 times are 140.
Yes. Yes, Sakshi. Will you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Finish. Yes, repeat the table once again, dear.
Okay. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 six are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 122, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 114.
Okay, where is Shivam?
40 ones are 40, 42s are 28, 43s are 42, 44s are 56, 45s are 70, 46 are 84, 47s are 98, 48s are 122, 49s are 126, 40 times are 140. Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Yes, Vara. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
See the table of 14.
Yes. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 six are 48, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 122, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Thank you, Miss.
Vidhi, unmute yourself. See the table of 14.
14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 122, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 14. Thank you, Miss.
Welcome, dear. Kishan Yadav, unmute yourself. Kishan Yadav. See the table of 14. You have muted yourself here. Okay, I'm unable to find him. Okay, next I will. Rigved, unmute yourself. Yes, say the table.
14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 96, 14 eights are
98.
112. Huh?
14 sevens are 98.
14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140.
148 122.
You have been muted. Yes, Sujal Singh, unmute yourself.
14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140.
14
Thank you,
is
teacher.
122.
Teacher, but I calculate it is showing 112.
112. Okay, 112. Okay. Next. Lakshmi, unmute yourself. Lakshmi Pratap Singh. To the table of 14.
Teacher.
Say the table of 14 here.
Just teacher. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 20, 56, 14 fives are 70.
Okay, you're muted again. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
now
teacher.
say. Now say.
14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Now, let us revise to the revision of lesson number 5, few sums. Okay? Yes, students, I know I am going to give you the chance. Tomorrow we will be revising our next tables also. That time we will get the chance. Okay? So let us revise one problem of chapter number 5. Yeah, I know. I'll unmute tomorrow, dear. Okay? So back to our lesson number 5. So now we are going to solve 953 multiplied by 38. Now using practice method, we are going to solve this problem. So first step, 953, the expanded form is 900 plus 50 plus 3. And 38 expanded form is 30 plus 8. Okay. Now after expanded form, what we are going to do? We are going to draw the table. So for which I'll be drawing vertical and horizontal line. You'll be using scale as I'm using whiteboard. So I'm using my finger free-handedly to draw, but you all will use scale for drawing the column. Now the expanded form of 953 is 900 plus 50 plus 3. So the expanded form we will write in the horizontal near 30. And the expanded form of 38 we are going to write vertically. That is 30 and 8. Now, first column we are going to multiply 30 multiplied by 900. Now for this, 30 zeros are 0. 30 zeros are 0. We know any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Next is 30 multiplied by 9. So 9 zeros are 0. 3 nines are 27. So we will write here 27. So you will get the answer as 27,000. Now next is 30 multiplied by 50. So 30 zeros are 0. Now what is left over here? 5. So 30 multiplied by 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 threes are 15. So you will get the answer as 1500. Next is 30 multiplied by 3. So 3 zeros are 0. 3 threes are 9. Now next 8 multiplied by 900. So 8 zeros are 0. 8 zeros are 0. 8 nines are 72. So the answer is 7200. Next is 50 multiplied by 8. So 8 zeros are 0. 8 fives are 40. So that is 400. Next is 8 threes are 24. Now we are going to add the answers which we have received after multiplying. So for which we are going to write whatever answers we have received. So first we have received 27,000. Next is 1500. Then 90. 7,200. 400. Unnecessarily don't text here. And 24. So you will get the answer as, look at the unit place. It's 4. Then in 10th place, 0 plus it will be 0 plus 9 is 9. And 9 plus 2 is 11. So we will write 1 and 1 on the top. In the 100th place, 1 you will carry to the 100th place. Now look at the 100th place. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 and 1 you will carry up at the 1000th place. Now in the 1000th place, 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 9 plus 7 is 17. Correct. It's 16. So write 6 at the 1000th place and carry 1 at the 10,000 place. Now look at the 10,000 place. It's 3 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So your final answer will be 36,240. This is the final answer. Let us revise once again what we have done. First, we have written the problem and we have written the expanded form, that is 953's expanded form is 900 plus 50 plus 3 and 30th expanded form is 30 plus 3. Next, what we have done, we have drawn the table and we have written the expanded form vertically and horizontally. And after multiplying vertical and horizontal column, we have received the solution, right? And then whatever solutions we have received, we have placed in the table and we have done the addition, by which we have received the final answer as 36,214. Understood, everyone? Any doubt? Let us solve one more. So next we are going to solve this. $610 multiplied by 45. Now first we are going to write the expanded form of 610. The expanded form is 600 plus 10 plus 0. And 45 expanded form is 40 plus 5. Now after writing the expanded form, we are going to draw the table. And in which we are going to write 600 plus 10 and plus 0. And 45 expanded form is 40 plus 5. Now 40 zeros are 0, 40 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 24. Next is 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 six are 30. So your answer is 3000. Next, 40 zeros are 0, 41s are 40. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. 40 zeros are 0 and 5 zeros are 0. Now whatever answers we have received, we are going to place in the table. $24,000. Then we have received answer as after 24 what we have received 3,000. So we are going to write 3,000. Then we have 400 and we have 50. We are going to do the addition. 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 4, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 2. So the final answer is 27,450. Any doubt? Hope everyone has understood. Now, let us solve one word problem. Now, the word problem is the cost of one chair is rupees 650. The cost of one chair is rupees 650. What is the cost of 4 such chairs? So for this, what we are going to do is, first we are going to write the statement. What is the given statement? Cost of one chair. So solution, we will write cost of one chair. Cost of one chair is rupees 650. Then we are going to write cost of four chairs. That is 650 multiplied by 4. After this, we are going to use the expanded form. We'll be using lactic method. 650 is expanded form is 600 plus 50 plus 0. And the expanded of 4 is 4. Let us draw the table. Four zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 8, 24. Again 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 8, 20. Now we are going to do the addition. 2400 plus 200. Zero plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 2 nothing is 2. So the final statement is therefore 4 chairs cost 2,600. Any doubt? Understood everyone? So one more sum. The next sum is one small sack of rice costs rupees 825. How much do 5 such sacks cost. So for solution, we will write the statement cost of one sack. Cost of one sack is rupees 825 and cost of 5 sacks 825 multiplied by 5. Now after writing this, what we are going to do? We are going to draw the table. Write the expanded form 800 plus 20 plus 5 multiplied by 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 eights are 40. 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, so it's 100. 5 fives are 25. Now we are going to add. Four thousand plus 100 plus 25. 5, 2, 1, 4. So the answer is 4124. So we will write therefore 5 sacks of rice cost rupees 4100. Okay. Hope everyone has understood lesson number 5. Any doubt? Any sum which you have not understood? Hope you all are practicing at home. Yes, students, any doubt in this lesson? Hope everyone has understood lesson number 5. Okay, from your chat, I could know that there is no doubt everyone has understood. So don't be in hurry. In exam, read the question properly. If it is word problem, then you have to write the given information also and then solve. Okay. And students, those who have not got the opportunity to do to say the table, tomorrow we will try. Definitely, I will try to give opportunity to you. Okay. So tomorrow on Monday, that is tomorrow means on Monday, we'll be back with our lesson. Next lesson, that is revision. with table we will do on Monday. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.